Welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing video, guys. Well, it's an unbagging today. We've got our favorite number, Series 24 girl blind bags. Let's check them out. Here is the first of two Series 24 girl blind bags. We got this from our batch of Playmobil toys from the Imaginations Furniture and Toy Store in Blacksburg, Virginia. This is a place that I've been buying a lot of my Playmobil since I was a college student back in the late 90s and early 2000s. And it's still there, owned by the same lovely woman, and we're happy to plug her business 20 years later. And I just remembered this is the second time I've opened a Series 24 figure. We got this woman here with the dark gown. I believe I opened up during the summer of 2024. So yeah, we're taking a look at set number 70940. These are the Series 24 girl figures, mystery figures. And Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2025. We're happy to be back. Although I just didn't think it would be a very nice thing to take a break for 2 weeks. So I decided to take the 1 week off. We're going to post this week, obviously, and then take another week off until we come back with another episode here. So here's the back of the bag with the barcode and the choking hazard warnings and some legal information. Let's go ahead and get this one open. And in case you're new to this channel, when you get these blind bags, even though it has a little zipper that tells you where to open up here, and you have to cut it open, that was just silly. The best thing to do is I open it from the bottom. And ooh, I got the clown lady. Oh my gosh. I got the clown lady. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. That makes me really happy. And then these legs are actually very glossy. They're much glossier than I thought they would be. That's kind of cool though. Did we get duplicates? It looks like we've got a lot of stuff in here. I got a jacket. Whoops. We got a red coat here. This little band, it looks like it would go to the Native American head. It's part of a Native American headdress, but I guess it goes onto the hat here. Yeah, I do really love this purple striped shirt, and it's nice to get like you know, a chubbier female body. We don't see that unless they're pregnant. And you know, they tend to make more men with the chubby bodies and not so many women. So it's kind of nice that they were able to come up with a good enough idea to create a woman with a belly. And there's nothing wrong with that. So let's go ahead and put this on like that. And I do apologize for the lighting here. It is very dark and stormy outside right now. And it's very loud. Well, you probably can't hear it, thank goodness. But I can hear the rain coming down pretty hard right now. So we got the shoulder pads. And then we've got these cuffs. We put those on. Whoops. Whoops again. There we go. Got the klicky there. Alright, so here's the body without the head and other accessories. Let's go ahead and put her head on. Look at that. Freckles and John Lennon glasses and some buck teeth. I hope. Oh, jeez. That was kind of a hard slam there. Let's see. Wow. It's kind of hard to put on, but we got it. We got it on. So here we go with the hat. Nice. Very cool. And let's put on the feather. So here's the figure by itself. Very nice. So she has her own set of clown feet. And we're going to go ahead and put those on as soon as I get the balloon, which I'm doing off camera. And it's printed on both sides. Didn't expect that. I do like that. That is so cool. That is such a nice figure. And then here's the purple clown feet. That's such a nice figure. And a final finishing touch here, she comes with this bugle. Alright. This is such a great figure. Wow, what a good way to start the video off for these unbaggings. I've got 4 more, but we're only doing 2 this episode. And here's our second bag right here, and we're going to go ahead. I haven't done the field test. I don't know what it is, although I'm doing it right now. And I don't know if this is a head or a hair. I don't know, it almost feels like a helmet. Oh, I wonder if it's the bicycling character here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, is the, I guess this, I don't know, bird trainer? Magician lady? Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Okay, so, interesting setup here. Where's her body? Oh no. Did we not get her body? You guys, we're missing, like straight up, we're missing the body. Oh wait, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Would you consider that a senior moment? Oh, that was embarrassing. I'm sitting here looking for a piece that's right in front of me. Gosh. Okay, so look at this. That's a very cool looking figure. Kind of looks like Evel Knievel-ish in that uniform, in that outfit. Well, let's get her head on. There we go. There we go. And get the hat on. There we go. Very nice. Hey, look at that. Playmobil got it right. Big hole in the bottom, little hole on top, because it makes sense to lock it in place that way. Okay, and then here's the main part of the bird. Here's its wings. Just a little clicky here. Boy, loud one. And, oh, he wears that. And then she holds on to this little post for it to perch on. Let's do it this way. And there's the bird. Wow. And then here's her cape. Now her cape feels like it's a different plastic than what I'm accustomed to. I can't tell if it's softer or harder. But it's nice regardless. I do like the colors of this one. This is nice. Very cool. And that is that, guys. These are our new Klickys from Series 24, the girls collection. And I like them both quite a lot, but I gotta go with the clown. The clown, I like the purple, just because purple's not a common color in Playmobil. And it's just a nice change to see. But yeah, they both are winners to me. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't for more Playmobil content. You can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We've got more on the way. Stay tuned. We got another one coming out in 2 weeks. Check it out, and we will see you right then and there. Thanks for watching, guys. Everybody have a great day, and bye-bye.